Hi, I'm Susan, and this is what I'm making. First, I'm taking 4 eggs, and I want to beat them really well. Now I want to add 1½ cups of cooked squash. And I just cleaned my squash. I just chopped it up into coins, removed the ends, and just boiled it with a little bit of butter and better than bouillon until it was tender. And to this squash and eggs, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of flour, 1/4 stick of butter, 1 teaspoon of bell pepper that's been chopped, 1/4 cup of onions that's been chopped, 1/4 cup of sweet milk, and that's whole milk, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of black pepper. Now I want to add half of the cheese I grated, and it calls for 1 1/4 cups of grated cheese, but I usually go a little bit more. And I've got 2 slices of white bread that's been cubed, and I'm just giving it a good mix. This challenge is a Summer Squash and Veggies challenge, and it's hosted by Ellie of DIY From House to Home, the kitchen edition. We're to make any dish that we want using summer squash or summer vegetables. I will have Ellie's channel listed in the description box down below, as well as the playlist. Come check out and see what everybody's made. I know it's going to be delicious. Now I want to pour my squash and egg mixture into a casserole dish that's been buttered, and I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees. Had to get that bell pepper, it was stuck together. Now I'm going to bake this for about 15 to 20 minutes. I baked it for 15, and then I'll be back. Alright, now my squash has been baking for 15 minutes, and I'm going to cover it with the rest of that cheese. And I'm going to cover it with, it called for 1/4 cup of Ritz crackers, crumbs, but I probably have more than that. And I'm going to bake it for 20 more minutes. And here is how it turned out. It is so good. This turned out really, really good. I loved it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Thank you, Ellie, for hosting this challenge. Be sure and check out her channel and the playlist. And until next time, bye, y'all.